Someone was calling us on the phone. Uh-huh. What you gonna do with it? What you gonna do with it? Someone's calling us. Thank you. Thank you. Uh-huh. You're gonna call someone? Gonna call Grandma? No, she's not answering? You don't think she's at home? Did you forget the number? You want Mommy call?